Hey everyone, just a quick update where we're at with our kitchen install of our DIY Kaboodle kitchen. We're about 99% there. I'll get the kickboards on Friday. However, we are waiting on the trades to come and refloor the house and repaint the house, and also the alcove on our left to be removed so we can fit the fridge space in and for it to go back. So a fair bit of work for the tradies now. Hopefully by Christmas it'll all be done, but then I'll share a bit of what went well, what didn't go so well with the Kaboodle kitchen install. But I must say overall fairly happy with it. But yeah, really looking forward to the new floors and the paint to really set it off. But yeah, stay tuned for the next update in December. Any questions, please put in the comments below.